What is up guys, Anders here. Today's video we'll be giving you a review of the newest SPECTRIX S40G RGB PLC M.2, a gaming SSD that will blow your mind. Now without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, the SPECTRIX S40G RGB comes with an aluminum enclosure that doesn't just look badass thanks to the integrated RGB, but also helps to the heat dissipation. Even though it's inside of the enclosure, it still comes with a super slim and compact design. Now talking about the RGB design, it comes with two horizontal lines creating a sleek design that looks almost like a futuristic car. One of the things that surprised me the most about this M.2 is that you can actually customize the RGB and create crazy lighting patterns by using the XPG software, ASUS Aura, RGB Fusion 2.0 from Gigabyte, MSI Mystic, or ASRock Polychrome Sync. Of course, only if your motherboard supports this feature. Regardless, if your motherboard doesn't support it, the S40G RGB still comes with a really nice default flow lighting effect. Now let's go ahead and take a look to the main features of this SSD. Built with a PCIe Gen3x4 NVMe, this SSD offers max sequential read and write speeds of 3500 MB per second read and 3000 MB per second write that is perfect for gaming and video production. It comes with an M.2 2280 form factor that supports the latest Intel and AMD platforms, and something that is important worth mentioning is that it also comes with a 5 years warranty. For the available storage capacities, you can find it in 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB. Now, one of the coolest features of the S40G RGB is that supports LDPC, which stands for Low Density Parity Check. Basically, it helps you with your data security and ensure more accurate data transfers and longer lifespan. Overall, I really like the S40G RGB. Its design and RGB lighting effects really make it stand out on any PC build, and most importantly, thanks to its high read and write speeds and efficiency, this SSD is a really good option for PC gamers and content creators. And that's all for today's video, my friends. Let us know in the comments below what do you think about the SPECTRIX S40G RGB SSD. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like, share and subscribe, and smash that notifications bell. On that way you won't miss any of our future videos and content. If you want to support the channel, you can take a look to our Patreon page where you can get access to exclusive media and more. This is Anders. See you next time.